Guys, if you would have told me a couple of months ago that we would be seeing Shiba Inu Coin back in the 700 point per coin range, Bitcoin for all get out, man, at $22,000 today, Ethereum back down at $1,100, and here's the thing. These prices, they are falling, and they are falling fast. But I'm going to tell you, I think that they're going to be going even lower than where we're at right now. And in this video, I want to do a comparison back to 2017. I know a lot of people probably weren't here in 2017 to see the cryptocurrency market run up, very similar to the way that it did in 2021, and then drop very hard for the succession of 2018 through 2020, and we could be setting ourselves up for an even bigger pullback right now. So I do want to relate it a little bit to Shiba Inu Coin. Even though Shiba Inu Coin was not here during the 2017 run-up, I do think that Shiba Inu Coin is going to have a place, post-bull market when this bear market ends and we start to run again. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, if you're interested in Shiba, if you're interested in Ethereum, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, the massive dip. Today could be a good day to look at getting in or at least create your account. You got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit is going to get you 6 free stocks during their anniversary promo. It's extended to the end of June. $1 crypto trade each, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got Voyager in the description. You're going to get $50 for signing up and making a $100 trade. And then look, if you want to sit in a stable coin, you can earn 9% interest while you're watching this bear market unfold. So guys, I want to do a little bit of a comparison, okay? It's going to be difficult to talk about Shiba Inu Coin and compare it in 2017, but very similar things that we're seeing now are what we saw back then, but there are some differences as well, especially the differences in why we are falling and why cryptocurrencies are pulling back so hard right now. So if you were around in 2017, this is just going to be a little bit of a summary or a recap. If you weren't around in 2017, that is when we saw Bitcoin in a very short time period go from roughly the low $1,000 range, especially if you drag it back a little bit further, up to $19,000 per coin. And this was insane. Okay, Bitcoin was still being talked about in mainstream media as like an illicit way for drug dealers to smuggle money. You were going to be able to launder through all of these cryptocurrencies. It was all bad attention in the media, but the prices were soaring higher. And then the story started to shift from Bitcoin being something that is illegal and people are going to use to launder to a potential investment and a potential hedge against inflation. And then it started to turn into a bubble. I remember watching Bitcoin. You'd go into work, you'd check the price and wish, oh my gosh, I wish I had a Bitcoin right now. Everything was I wish, right? Because you watched it double in price. It was up another 20. It was up another 30. Bitcoin, 16,000 today, 18,000 tomorrow, $19,000. And the news, the media, everybody was talking bubble. And what happened? If you convince enough people that cryptocurrency is a bubble, guess what people think it is? A bubble. And that bubble did burst. We watched the price of Bitcoin go from $19,000 per coin down and bottomed around $3,000 per coin. A drastic pullback. Ethereum ran much higher in this recent bull run, but Ethereum dropped back down to the $80, $90 range after being $1,500, nearly $2,000 per coin, and we watched these prices unfold. And the story that shifted thereafter was that cryptocurrency was a fad. Cryptocurrency was over. Cryptocurrency is done. And that's what the mainstream media wanted to play. You had different financial institutions trying to get Bitcoin ETFs and trying to get those listed, but nobody wanted to touch them. Nobody wanted to list these Bitcoin ETFs. Way too volatile. The industry is on a death spiral. It is over. So here's what I want to learn from that is that we will see a lot of negativity. We will see stories that tell you Bitcoin, Shiba Inu Coin, Ethereum, Solana, the whole slate is dead. Crypto is over, is what they will begin telling you. And here's the thing you need to remember. The same people that are telling you that it is dead are going to be the people that are buying at these extravagantly low prices. If you see somebody telling you Bitcoin is dead and they're loading up on it at $1,000 a coin, $2,000 a coin, $10,000, wherever the bottom may be, don't listen to them. They're putting their money where their mouth is, right? And they're buying it up. So it's just the narrative to I guess, aid the transition of wealth. They want your money, man. The trillions of dollars that they printed in the last couple of years, do you think that they really want that going into your hands? Absolutely not. They don't want that going into your hands. They print it, they give it to you, and then they take it right back. Guys, this is a game. And I talked about, Warren Buffett's quote, the stock market is a device from transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Cryptocurrency is going to be just that as well. But imagine you are in the beginning stages of the stock market. Imagine you are getting into cryptocurrency at these prices, knowing that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years down the road, the digital world is going to outpace the physical world. And we will be sitting in a realm, in a world, in a metaverse where digital is king. And knowing that that is going to be the case, we have to make it through these swings. Whether you shave your earnings or shave your holdings on the downside and buy back in as they go lower, that is completely you as an investor, as a trader, but you have to remind yourself on a daily basis that cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have a future if we give them one. Now, here's the major difference that I want to point out between the fall of 2017, 2018, and then the fall that we're seeing here in 2021, 2022. 2017, 2018 was because Bitcoin was a fad. It was a bubble. It was just something that couldn't sustain itself. The fall that we're seeing right now is because inflation, due to whatever, I don't care what political affiliation you guys are, think of your reason as to why inflation is falling. We can all agree, or rising. We can all agree that it is rising. Nobody can dispute that fact. And that is bad for risky asset classes. Inflation will have to rise in order to battle that inflation. That is bad for risky asset classes. And what we are seeing is a market environment that is so filled with fear, completely different than what we were seeing in 2017, 2018. We are so filled with fear as investors right now that I believe that this crash could be much bigger, much faster, much stronger than anything we saw in the bear market of 2018. How long does it last? Unfortunately, I don't have those answers. All I know, the only answer that I do have is I will outlast the bear market that we are in. And if you can say the same thing, if you will outlast the bear market that we are in, here's the deal. You are going to be able to stack up. It's like you stepped in a time machine and you can get in at these 2020 lows that you were kicking yourself for not buying at. If you see Ethereum at 50, 60, 100, 200 bucks, and those are your price points, guess what you can do? You can load up. If you see Shiba Inu Coin with 6 zeros and you kicked yourself for not getting in January, February, March of 2021, guess what? You have a second chance here. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, I don't care what your coin of choice is, we have a chance right now, like we stepped in a time machine. The future has been unchanged. So if you still believe in the future, and we are getting these bargain prices once again, you've got to have a positive outlook. So guys, I'm going to be here, plain and simple, in the comments below. I want to know if you're going to be here if you are going to outlast this bear market, and you will see the beautiful bull market run when we come out the other side. Let us know in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, Voyager, $50 in free Bitcoin, Webull, 6 free stocks, and until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.